What's the meaning of country bumpkin? Country bumpkin. Country bumpkin.
Country bumpkin. Country bumpkin. Country bumpkin is a term used to describe someone who comes from a rural or agricultural background and may lack sophistication, education, or city living experience. The term can be considered derogatory or offensive in certain contexts as it implies a lack of intelligence or cultural awareness. However, it can also be used affectionately to describe someone who is humble and down-to-earth. Overall, the term country bumpkin has negative connotations and should be used with caution when referring to individuals from rural areas.